Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you a simple trick how you can read WhatsApp messages sent to you by your contacts and friends without leaving blue ticks so that your contact doesn't know if you have or haven't received and read the given message from him or her. So let me show you really quickly how it's done, guys. All you need to do is access your WhatsApp account settings. To do that, for instance, on your Android phone, head over to your home screen on WhatsApp and tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop down menu. After that, head over to privacy here, and in the privacy section, simply scroll down a bit till you get to this feature here called read receipts. As you can see, it is currently turned on for me, but you may switch or turn it off anytime here to the right. In this case, your contacts and friends will not receive any read receipts from you and therefore will not know if you have or haven't read their message. And that's all the magic behind this, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.